Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about Wipro's latest onboarding updates. So in this video we are going to see what are the latest mails that the candidates have received from the company related to joining, what are the latest joining dates and it is for which batch, that is Whelp, Turbo or Elite, and further we are going to see when the rest of the Elite and Turbo candidates are going to get onboarded. So with proofs, some of the details we are going to see in this video, and we are also find at the end of this video we are going to take some common doubts on our previous videos related to Wipro. So make sure that you watch the video till complete end so that you don't miss any important information from the video. Before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest regular updates from our channel. Also, if you have not yet followed us on Instagram, make sure to do so as we regularly post off-campus drives on Instagram too. Let's start with our today's discussion. So the first thing is Wipro is sending this kind of ICIMS profile completion mail to the candidates. In this mail it is mentioned that please click here to access the ICIMS candidate desktop. So here is a link is provided and you need to click on this link and you need to go to your ICIMS candidate desktop and then you need to complete your profile. Then if you do not remember your password for the ICIMS candidate desktop, you can even set your password by clicking on forgot your login or password. Okay, so once your password is reset, just in case if you forgot your password, then what you need to do is you need to complete your background verification and you need to click on fill more profile details. So here a note is given, please upload all the mandate documents in PDF format within 20 days of getting this email. Okay, so within 20 days of getting this email you need to complete your profile on ICIMS portal. Then there are some points that you need to take care of. First one is declaration, so you need to accept the letter of authorization. Then the second is you have to complete your personal details. In personal details you have to upload the photograph. Then you have to enter all the mandatory fields. So and mandatory fields will be marked with star sign. Then you need to upload the ID proofs like Aadhaar card or PAN card. Then if permanent and current address is different, you need to provide the proof of both the address and then you have to upload it. Next thing is, so you have to also upload your BTech semester mark sheets, or if you are a BSc or BCA candidates, then you have to upload your mark sheets of 5th and 6th semesters. Then if you have got your provisional degree, then you have to upload that, and if you are having a course completion certificate, then you need to upload that too. So this is the complete thing that you need to do on ICIMS portal. Just make sure that you complete it and don't delay it, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section related to it. Now moving on to the next thing. So many candidates might have this confusion that I have not got this ICIMS mail, then what? Or ICIMS mail or document verification mail, right? So it is not compulsory that you will get the document verification mail. If your docs are already uploaded and then you might not get this mail. Okay, we advise candidates to be safe and only upload the fully correct documents, as if anything goes wrong, then you can see that Wipro has terminated many candidates like in the previous months. So please be assured and gather all the documents and then upload it in one go. Okay, next is, it doesn't matter whether you are from phase 1 or phase 2. If your details are not completed on ICIMS portal, then Wipro team will send you the mail to fill or complete the ICIMS portal details. Okay, next is, if your details are completely filled in ICIMS and still you have received the mail to fill your complete details, in that case just go to the portal, check once whether all the details are completed or not. If it is completed, then you can just send a mail to this email ID mentioning that all your details are completed on the portal. Okay, and there are some tips. So be prepared with all your mark sheets, provisional degree and documents that they mentioned during your PJP, right? Because when you have got your PJP mail, in that it will be mentioned. Wipro has clearly mentioned over the mail that depending upon the PJP completion, they will give the joining. So make sure that you complete your PJPs. So many phase 1 candidates have got the PJPs as of now. So those who have got it, make sure that you complete it. And from phase 2, there are very few only as of now. I know that many candidates have DM'd me on Instagram that not everyone has got the PJP mail from phase 2. So those who have got, just complete the for them it is that you need to complete the PJP, and the rest you need to wait still. Next is, now some phase 2 candidates have not got their PJP, so you don't have to worry about it. PJP is for them who has their who has got their PJP mails, right? They only need to complete it. Now the next thing is, when is the next onboarding date for Wipro? So the next onboarding date as of now is 13th of February, and these candidates will be onboarded on 7th of February. So these are for WILP candidates and WILP in that too WIMS candidates. So these candidates will be onboarded on 13th February, and after that there is no onboarding date as of now that the candidates have received. So there is a very high chance that the company will send the mails soon, because definitely there will be onboardings. Company never stops the onboardings. It is just that they give the onboardings to different profiles. So right now they are giving for WILP. So in the upcoming days, new joining will be released. Next is, elite candidates can receive their joinings in the first quarter, right? So all the elite phase 1 candidates who are waiting for their joinings can expect it in the first quarter. Now when is the first quarter? The first quarter of the company is up till March and April. So until April you can expect your joinings. Why I am saying this? Because the company CHRO has given this statement. We are going to see that too. So, and what about the turbo candidates? So turbo candidates can also expect their joinings in the first quarter, but it is less likely that the company will onboard turbo candidates in higher numbers, because you know that the salary for turbo candidates is higher, and also there are many elite candidates are waiting. So the company has this procedure, looking at the previous scenarios, that they onboard elite candidates first, and they onboard WILP candidates first of all, and then they give priority to elite candidates onboarding, and then turbo. So you can expect that a turbo candidates can have a little bit delay in their joinings. Moving on, so this is the information that I am telling about. So Wipro has given this information that they are going to hire 8,000 freshers amid mass layoffs, and on the other hand they are even terminating candidates, right? So it does not mean that if they are terminating candidates, then how can they hire 8,000 freshers? So these companies, what they do is they hire in bulk. So in order to show that they are continuously hiring, they will hire 8,000 freshers, because the attrition rate and the people leaving the company is very high. So they need freshers at every regular intervals. So don't think like if company is firing people, then how can they hire? They will hire simultaneously. So even apply to the drives which are currently going on. Don't keep in mind that if they are firing, then there is no way they can hire, right? So keep on applying to the drives also, because in the upcoming months those drives will only be taken up and the exams will be conducted. So this is the statement from CHRO. The CHRO has given the statement that delays in onboarding new hires by large information technologies companies including Wipro have dominated the conversation in the industry over the last quarter. Wipro has maintained that it will not renege on job offers it has made and will honor all its commitment. The company's CHRO Saurabh Govil, however, admitted in an interview to Money Control that the process has been deferred. It is delayed, I'll be honest, and I said there will be a spillover. He said that the company posted the financial results for the third quarter of FY23. Govil said Wipro will honor the commitment it has made and that the onboarding will be based on business requirements. So based on these statements, it is expected that the company will soon give the hiring onboardings to the elite candidates. Now let's take up some common doubts. So these are the most asked questions as of now from the candidates. First of all, when the company will onboard turbo people. So already mentioned that previously it was the news that the turbo people are expected to get onboarded in the month of February, but looking at the current trends, even the elite candidates are waiting. So there is a high chance that the onboarding for turbo candidates will be delayed, but they can expect it until April. Next is, when will be the onboarding for elite phase 1. So as of now, you might know that only one batch of elite phase candidates was onboarded, that too on 30th of December. After that, there is no date for elite phase 1 candidates. So the onboarding for elite phase 1 is expected in the first quarter, that is March-April, until March-April. Next is, the next comment is, they are not onboarding already hired people. How will they onboard new batch or another batch, right? So again, I said that they are not onboarding the already hired people, but they need to take on the hirings, like they need to take on the exams. So definitely they will keep on ongoing hirings will be there. So make sure that you apply to it. Okay, just to confirm, if you already have an offer from Wipro, don't apply again, and don't apply in the current drives, because this might create a problem for you. But what you can do is, along with Wipro, all the other companies are also hiring as well, like Infosys, TCS, Capgemini and other companies. So what you can do is, along with the procedure of Wipro, you can apply side by side for the other companies too, because as you can see that there is no confirmation in Wipro. Many of the candidates who even got the joinings and who started visiting the office got terminated from the company. So to be on the safer side, you need to have a offer letter in hand, or you need to have another side backup for you, right? And a side backup is always a plus point, so don't be worried about it and keep on applying. You might get a joining in other company, or you might avail an offer from other company. So with this, we have discussed all the latest onboarding updates from Wipro. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to join us on Telegram and Instagram and different social media platforms that we are on. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest regular updates from our channel. I regularly try to upload onboarding updates every week for every company. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the updates. Thanks for watching the video.